Hey guys, I'm Brady Cleveland. I'm a paint and detail specialist over here at Sweet Cars. Today we're going to be talking about Iron.X LS, one of my favorite products that we use every single day here in the shop. It's an essential part to keeping your paint looking brand new, pulling all those contaminants out that build up over the winter time. A lot of brake dust can be very, very harmful for paint, getting stuck in the clear coat and causing rust over time. This product helps pull all that out and bleed all that iron out. A lot of those contaminants that are on your paint, on your wheels, on your calipers will build up to where they start to look like rust spots on your paint, and they will eventually lead to rust if it's not taken care of and addressed. You are gonna wanna wash the car beforehand, just so you're not spraying this on the dirt and stuff that's easily able to be taken off with just, wiping it off or with water. This is mainly used for stuff that's really in the clear coat. So I'm gonna walk around the vehicle, spray this on. I really don't need a ton of product. You really don't want to oversaturate the paint. If you do that, it won't work right. So definitely be conscious of how much you're putting on each surface. You're going to continue to move around the entire vehicle, bleeding those areas out in a dark red, dark pink color. So after you would spray all the surfaces that you desire to clean and to decontaminate, I'm going to apply light pressure with any kind of rag, any kind of non-scratch pad. Something that you just can move around the product on top of the painted surface. You're just gonna power wash it all off and you're good to go. Today I talked about Iron.X LS. If you would like to learn more about this product, call or stop into Sweet Cars today.